Hi everyone, welcome back to Dance Mama Dance, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jen. Today we're going to be making your own foaming hand soap. So I have an empty hand soap bottle here that was a Mrs. Meyer's foaming hand soap. I have a essential oil in a grapefruit scent and Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. So we're going to start here with just cleaning out the old bottle of any of the soap that might possibly be left on the sides of it. This label was actually really easy to peel off, which is why I chose this particular bottle. I also liked how simple it was so that it would go with my bathroom decor. I did want to go ahead and clear out the pump as well, just in case there was some soap remnants inside of it. Now I'm just filling the container up with water, about 2/3 full, give or take. I really like the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap, and we use the unscented. It has so many different uses. Definitely check it out and see what else you can make with it. This part I definitely eyeball. I would say I use maybe about a tablespoon or two. A little bit definitely goes a long way. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my essential oils. I did choose the grapefruit scent from Fresh Thyme, and I liked it because it's nice and fresh for summer. I would add about 6 to 8 drops depending on how strong you'd like the fragrance. Next, you're just going to want to shake up your bottle so that the essential oils and the Castile soap mix in nice with the water. I hope you enjoyed my DIY foaming hand soap video. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you are new. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram at Dance Mama Dance. We'll see you in the next one.